Hello and welcome again to Fussels TV. And here we are again with my good friend Mr. John Milliken.
Hi Timothy, how are you today?
I'm very good, and yourself?
I'm good, thank you very much.
You're always good.
Always. And clean shaven today.
And clean shaven today. Very good. Now today what we're going to do is we're going to do a pan-fried minute steak with a rocket salad, and we're going to be using one or two of our products. John, what are we going to use today?
Exactly what you said, Tim. We're just going to do like a simple rocket minute steak. Basically, obviously it's in the word, minute steak. It's a very quick dish. Once again, come up with dinner, literally 1, 2, 3, you're eating.
Lovely.
Yeah, nice salad to go with it as well, some shallots through there. Obviously the key thing in this is obviously using the products we're going to use today, Tim, are going to basically use
the rapeseed oil.
Yes.
And I think what we're going to do, is we're going to use the spray. And this is a really good way to keep your calorie count down, because our rapeseed oil spray is only 2 calories per spray. It's exactly the same oil, so it has all the benefits, only you can control the volume of the spray. Really? Now again, if you're interested in any of these products, you can come over and get them at Fussels HQ over here at Road, but also all of the details are available on www.fusselsfinefoods.co.uk. If you head over there and have a look at our stockist page, you will be able to see where all the products are available. Fantastic. Now back to this though, something we've really centred on is not overcooking the food and getting a nice hot pan.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So we've obviously started before the gun started. We've obviously got the pan, got it hot, which is great. And we're going to use a nice frying pan today, non-stick. We're going to start obviously, what we're going to do, Tim, I'm going to use a spray today, okay, which is the same as you just said, okay. And we're going to get it on. I'm basically, I'm going to use quite a bit, like 3/4, 5 or 6 squirts. The reason for that is basically because I just want to cover the bottom of the pan. It's a large pan, it takes a bit more oil.
Okay, and the steak, are we going to season the steak?
We are, and it's in here, and it's all ready for you, Timothy.
Look at that.
And you get your nice and forks ready, I hope so. So basically, with the pepper, with salt and pepper, plenty of pepper. We like a lot of pepper in our steak here. So, and this helps give it a lot more.
And I see you're putting a lot on there, John. Are you doing it on both sides as well?
Yeah, we are, Tim. Yeah, just so that we can get it nicely seasoned. We want a quick flash in the pan. We're going to cook the steak today with a little bit of garlic and thyme as well.
Okay.
In the pan, yeah.
And that goes into the pan before.
Yeah, we're going to put it in now. What we want to do, Tim, we want to get. You see the smoke going on now? We like a bit of smoking, don't we? So what we're going to do, we're going to get that on there. Feel the sizzle. Yeah. It's going on. So we're going to put the thyme in there now. Yeah.
And that's literally a twig of thyme just going into the pan.
Yeah, pretty much. Exactly, yeah. That's exactly it. So while we're waiting for this to kind of get where it's going, it's about a minute either side. Yeah. We're going to just chop down some shallots. Yeah. So we can get them ready in the pan. In fact, Tim, you can do this. There you go. Exactly the same as that.
Well, give me those other 2 shallots and I'll see what I do. Now you'll notice that I'm probably not as good as John with my chopping. However, there we are, one. This is something I want to get better at.
Yeah, brilliant.
So they're all being chopped up there. We're going to use these in a second. And what else are we going to do? What is going to go with our steak, John?
Just going to put a little bit more on this pan, Tim. I want to get that frying going. Can you hear that frying?
And what am I doing with these onions now?
Well, what we're going to do with these, Tim, we're going to get these in this pan. Alright, so we're going to just get them in here. Alright, lovely. We don't want them properly cooked. We just want them in here. We've got the flavour going underneath. Okay. Alright, quite simple, alright? So you can hear it now sizzling, yeah? Really sizzling going on. And we've got some good caramelisation going on this side.
Look at that. Now you can see that meat's been sealed, so all the juices and all the rest of it are going to stay in there.
Lovely, yeah. So, yeah. So
and I think the secret as well with a thin piece of meat is not to overcook it.
Exactly, yeah. And as you can see, the caramelisation, this gives it a sweetness. And the pepper obviously gives it a counteraction towards that. So it gives it good seasoning.
Okay.
Right? So, yeah, so basically it is just a case of keeping it simple so you can keep an eye on the product you're doing. And what the rapeseed oil here is giving like a nutty flavour as well on top of this as well. So basically we're just going to caramelise both sides. We're going to take it out of the pan when it's ready. The shallots are nicely caramelising up and going soft, as you can see. Yeah, which is lovely. We've got the thyme going on as well. So what we're going to do now...
And again, I can smell the thyme, I can smell the onions, I can smell the steak being cooked there.
Perfect, isn't it? Yeah. So what we're going to do now, in a separate pan, we're going to get some watercress in here. Okay, sorry, rocket.
Rocket, that's right. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to leave that on the side. Put a little bit of salt in here. Yeah, I'm going to leave it on the side. We're going to take this minute steak off now. I'm going to add a little bit more oil because you can see I want it to fry. Yeah, and when you're cooking really hot, it does take on. You'll find it'll evaporate. And that's the great thing about this. You can control the oil amount.
Exactly, and that's what we found as well. Yep.
Yeah, you know. So that's really good. So now we've got a
so that steak is ready. It's been in there.
So you want to literally now give that. You want to make it rest.
And resting, John. Explain resting. So that meat is still cooking under its own residual.
Yeah. Well, this pan's at nearly 300 degrees. If I put it on there, it's not going to go down to 0.
Yeah.
So this is going to go gradual heat. And what you'll find it kind of see the blood coming up at the top.
That's right. Yeah.
So this is resting, and this is a good thing. This is what you want. Yeah. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking out this pan now. I'm taking out the garlic, and I've got the shallots, yeah, and all this kind of thing. Yeah. So what I've got a good caramelisation going on in there. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put these in here with this.
We're going to put them in with the rocket.
With the rocket, yeah. Take these off. And then we're going to put a little bit of the chutney in here. Sorry, not chutney. The beef and horseradish.
The beer and horseradish.
Beef and horseradish. Sorry,
okay. So you're going to put that in there.
Yeah, we're going to put this in here. Yeah, and then we're just going to literally dress that around. If you want to just get a spoon and move that around to me, that'd be great. That'd be fantastic. And I'm just going to, because to counteract that bitterness of the rocket, what I'm going to do is add a little bit of lemon juice.
And lemon seems to feature quite a lot though, John, doesn't it? And that just...
It helps, what it does, lemon, it helps you, it gives you acidity. It's even in the dressing, it's everywhere. But what it does, it helps you, it gets your taste buds going.
Right,
you know, and it helps you digest. So that's the good thing about using like acidity. It's not just lemon, it's oranges, it's all these kind of things, you know.
The citrus
vinegars, all this kind of thing, you know. That's always about. So we'll put a little bit of caper in this as well. A little bit of caper, and then I'm going to chop some tomatoes, because tomatoes and steak are there bonus salad, yeah?
Yeah.
And then, just not too many, this is once again acidity, la la la. Now, top these through. So we've got the steak, put this on the side here, and as you can see, look, all that juice coming out. Can you see? I'm just going to cut this open, just so that you can see it.
Yeah.
So you see it's nice and pink here. Should we just put it under the camera? Let's get it under the camera.
Let's bring it.
Sorry. So we've cut this now, sorry, yeah? And then now, if you look at it now, it's just nice and pink underneath. Do you see that, yeah? So it's lovely. So we've got our horseradish in here, our dressing. I just want to try this. No, amazing.
It's amazing. There we are. Fantastic. Now I can't. What annoys me here is he always tastes first.
Yeah.
So can we get someone here so I can have a taste?
Yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a nice oil on the top there. So it's warm, yeah. And when you taste this with the steak, you'll feel it as it's warm. It's wilting. Yeah. You see the oil cooks it.
This
is the acidity while cooking it with the warmth. Yeah. All right. So get your knife and fork.
I'm going to get my knife again. As you well know, those of you who know me well by now, this is my favourite part of any demonstration. Brilliant. So I'm going to have a little bit of this lovely little steak here. Now it cuts very, very easily.
Yeah, of course.
And I'm going to grab some of that rocket, a little bit of shallot, and I'm going to get a mouthful there. Let's see what.
And you can taste that beer. You can taste.
Well, my mouth is already watering. Be quiet a second while
Brilliant. The salad's busy. It's not just a basic salad. You've got loads going on.
That has everything. Now this is another use, the oil obviously we've cooked the steak in, but the beer and horseradish sauce has made that salad, it's brought out the flavours of the rocket, it's enhanced the flavours of the shallots and the tomatoes, and it brings it all together in a nice rounded texture. So if you want to know anything more about this recipe, we shall put it up just afterwards so that you can see all the ingredients. But essentially we've used the oil and we've used the beer and horseradish sauce, all available at Fussels Fine Foods. You can go over to our website, www.fusselsfinefoods.co.uk. Go over to our stockist page and you'll see where it's available. Or alternatively, you can come over to Fussels HQ and it's all available direct from us. So there we are. Thank you, John, for that one.
Thank you.
Lovely recipe again. And we look forward to seeing you all next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.